Didi na. Pinindot mo na ulit? Pahiram mo na sa teddy bear dali kasi dididi si baby dali. Hindi pwede makita sa
Wala naman yung aircon nato.
Hindi naman kasi naka-down. Naka-down pala yan.
Pwede naman.
Masuyo naman na. Yung walang ano. O, dito na din. Ano ba naman itong pinabuhi na to? Oo nga, din na tayo. Siguro na yung didi ka. Ano may ginagawa ako. Yung isa, kailangan ko pa yung uploadan. Huwag na akong minamadali para sa atin din ito. Hindi para sa atin na.
Ben. Na. So, ngayon, anuhin ko sa amin, rinunod ko lang kasi na dahil para para ma-low down din kung pag no.
May sounds ba yan da? Ano sounds? Ano sounds? Sayang
Diba yan, no? Hindi yan sound.
Hindi na.
Ay, napatay yung tea.
Ayan, no? Hindi sahur. Walang stick yung sahur. Da, kumuha ko ng sticker. Da. Kuha pa ako. Kuha ako ng sticker.
Ayan.
Isa lang pala yun. Dikit na lang natin sa dito. Kasi kulang. Ay! Yan pala lang. Pati naman dito. Ayun, yun.
Hilo pa rin. Sapat ba
Yan
talaga
ito
ang toothpaste mo?
binigyan ko.
Di sapat ang regular toothpaste sa Milo. Gumamit ng Sensodyne, ang dentist recommended toothpaste para sa Milo. May 99 na Sensodyne.
Mapain na naman tayo.
Hindi siya naman.
Till the job's done. Have you ever walked on a concrete sidewalk, observed a towering skyscraper under construction, or driven across a massive bridge without questioning how the gray powder that makes all this possible actually gets created?
Para
Cement
umaba yung
surrounds us
pamilya.
in our buildings, roads, dams, and infrastructure projects, practically to the point where modern civilization without it seems completely unimaginable. But how did humanity develop this remarkable binding material that literally holds our world together? Today, we're examining the fascinating narrative of cement, what it actually contains, what makes it so incredibly strong, and why it has become the most widely used construction material in human history. So, let's discover this remarkable transformation thoroughly, right here on Stories Behind Everything.
Ano ba?
Piyak ka dito.
Cement fundamentally represents a fine gray powder that acts as a binding agent when mixed with water, creating a paste that hardens and gains strength over time. The most common variety, Portland cement, gets its name from its resemblance to Portland stone, a type of limestone quarried on England's Isle of Portland. What makes cement truly extraordinary is its hydraulic properties, meaning it can set and harden even underwater. This characteristic occurs through a chemical reaction called hydration, where cement particles react with water molecules to
Asuyo
form
ako na,
crystalline
baka ano na na.
structures that bind
Ang
together
daming
sand,
beses
gravel,
na.
and other materials. The manufacturing
05.
process centers around heating limestone and